A heartfelt welcome to dear parents to our annual function. We wish a very pleasant morning to respected MD Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and fellow students. It is indeed an honor and privilege to have you all with us. Today, we are delighted to present a special assembly based on the theme Mystery of Oceans.
Ocean covers more than two-thirds of the Earth's surface and plays a vital role in sustaining life on our planet. They influence climate, regulate temperature, support diverse ecosystem and provide resources that humans depend upon for survival and development. From ancient civilizations to the modern world, oceans have connected countries through trade, travel and cultural exchange.
Oceans are not just vast bodies of water. They are full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. From deep trenches and powerful currents to fascinating marine life, oceans are home to countless wonders. They provide us with food, energy, and livelihood. Yet, much of the ocean still remains unexplored, making it one of the greatest mysteries of our planet.
So today, through our presentation, we invite you to explore the power, pathways, and mysteries of the oceans.
To begin our day this morning on a note of serenity and gratitude, let us seek divine blessings. Now, I humbly request everybody to please stand up, put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-winding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Every beautiful beginning starts with an inspiring thought. So now I invite Kamal Saran to present the thought.
Oceans are not just water bodies, they are the heartbeat of Earth, calm at times, powerful at others, and always full of mysteries. I repeat my thought. Oceans are not just water bodies, they are the heartbeat of Earth, calm at times, powerful at others, and always full of mysteries.
Thoughts become meaningful when shared and ideas become powerful when discussed together. To highlight the importance of oceans and their roles in our lives, we present a group discussion on the topic Mystery of Oceans.
When we talk about oceans, we are actually talking about the largest life supporting system on Earth. Oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface and hold around 97% of the planet's water. They regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing heat and large amount of carbon dioxide, helping to reduce global warming. So, oceans are not just water bodies, they are climate regulators and life providers. Despite covering most of our planet, ocean remains one of Earth's greatest frontiers with more than 95% still unexplored. This is not because of any conspiracy, but because the deep ocean is one of most hostile environments on Earth with crushing pressure, complete darkness, and freezing temperatures. Every expedition reveals new discoveries, reminding us how much is still unknown about our blue planet.
There are five major oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, covering about 165 million square kilometers, and it is also the deepest. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest, about 106 million square kilometers, and it is heavily used for trade. The Indian Ocean is the third largest and very important for monsoon winds. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica and controls cold current. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and is rapidly melting due to climate change.
Oceans have some important features that make them unique. First, they are saline, meaning they contain salt, mainly sodium chloride. Second, ocean water is constantly moving due to tides, waves, and currents. Third, oceans store and transport heat across the globe. Fourth, they are home to millions of marine species. Lastly, they influences the weather system like monsoon and cyclone. These features shows that oceans are dynamic and powerful.
Oceans are divided into layers based on sunlight temperature. The first layer is the surface layer, where sunlight reaches and most marine life survive. Below the thermocline layer, where temperature decreases rapidly with depth. The deepest part is the deep ocean zone, which is cold, dark, and under immense pressure. Understanding these layers will help scientists study marine ecosystem and climate change.
Many people think that the ocean floor is flat, but it is actually full of mountains, valleys, and trenches. There are continental shelves near coastlines where fishing activities take place. Then there are continental slopes that drop sharply into deeper water. Mid-ocean ridges underwater mountain chains formed due to tectonic activities. Deep sea trenches like Mariana Trench are the deepest part of Earth. These features show that oceans are geologically active.
Islands are land areas surrounded by water. Some islands are formed by volcanic activities like Hawaii. Others are coral islands formed by coral reefs like Lakshadweep. Continental areas like Greenland were once connected to the mainland areas. They are strategically important for countries because they extend maritime boundaries. They have unique ecosystem and biodiversity. The rising sea level threatens small island nations.
A strait is a narrow passage of water that connects two larger water bodies. Straits are extremely important for global trade and navigation. They reduce travel distance between the continents. Many straits are natural, formed due to tectonic shifts and rising sea levels. Some are artificial canals like Panama Canal and Suez Canal created by humans to shorten trade routes. Because of their importance, straits are often called strategic choke points.
The Strait of Hormuz lies between Iran and Oman. It connects the Persian Gulf with the Arabian Sea. This strait is one of the world's most important oil transit route. Nearly 20% of global oil passes through it daily. Countries like India, China and Japan heavily depend on this route for energy supply. If this strait is blocked, global oil prices immediately increases.
The Strait of Hormuz is frequently in use due to tension between Iran and Western countries. Whenever there is any military conflict in Middle East, Iran sometimes threatens to block the strait. Any instability here affects the global energy market, so it is never forces from many countries patrol this region to ensure safe passage. So it is not just a water passage, it is a geopolitical hotspot.
The Strait of Malacca lies between Malaysia and Indonesia. It connects the Indian Ocean to the South China Sea. It is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. China, Japan, and South Korea depend heavily on it for oil imports. It shortens the sea route between Europe and East Asia. Because of this heavy traffic, it is very strategically important.
Strait of Malacca faces issues like piracy and security threats. It is also strategically sensitive because China depends on it for the energy supply, which is sometimes called the Malacca dilemma. Any blockage can disrupt the global trade. Countries in the region maintain strong naval presence. India also monitors this area due to its importance in the Indo-Pacific strategy.
Ocean includes a variety of flora and fauna. Flora includes marine plants such as phytoplankton, seaweeds, and seagrass. Phytoplankton forms the base of the marine food chain. It produces nearly 50% of Earth's oxygen through photosynthesis. Seaweeds provide food, shelter, and seagrass meadows help to stabilize seabed and store carbon. Marine flora is essential for maintaining ocean ecosystem and climate balance.
Fauna includes all marine animals such as fishes, whales, dolphins, turtles, and octopus. Coral reefs support one of the richest biodiversities in the world. Marine animals play an important role in ocean food web. Many species help maintain ecological balance by controlling population, overfishing, pollution, and climate change threaten marine fauna. Conservation of marine fauna is essential for healthy and sustainable ocean.
Atmospheric circulation refers to the movement of air around the Earth. It happens because equator receives more sunlight than the poles. The warm air rises near the equator and the cool air moves from the higher latitudes. This creates wind systems like trade winds and westerlies. This influence ocean currents and rainfall patterns. Monsoons are part of this global circulation system.
El Nino occurs when the central and the eastern Pacific Ocean become warmer than usual. This weakens the trade wind. In India, El Nino can cause weak monsoon and drought conditions. It can also cause floods in South America. Farmers and government closely monitor it as it directly affects agriculture and food production worldwide.
La Nina is the opposite of El Nino. In this case, Pacific water becomes cooler than normal. In India, La Nina usually brings heavier monsoon rainfall. It strengthens trade winds. So even though it brings rain, it causes extreme weather events. However, in India, La Nina usually brings heavier monsoon rainfall.
Marine pollution is the contamination of oceans and seas by harmful substances and waste. Major sources include plastic waste, oil spills, sewage, industrial discharge, and agricultural use. It harms the marine plants and animals by damaging its habitats and poisoning the food chain. Plastic pollution is especially dangerous as marine plants and animals often ingest or become entangled in it. Marine pollution also affects human health, fisheries, tourism, coastal livelihoods. Reducing plastic waste, improving waste management, and enforcing pollution control. Laws are essential for controlling the oceans.
From ocean layers to straits and from climate systems to global trade, oceans influence almost every aspect of life on Earth. They regulate temperature, control weather patterns, and support global economies. However, climate change, rising temperature, and geopolitical tensions are creating challenges. Understanding oceans is not just geography, it is understanding global stability. Therefore, protecting oceans means protecting our future. Thank you.
What if I told you the greatest mystery of the oceans lies beneath the earth? What beautiful yet powerful. Ocean creates waves and tides, brings cyclones and tsunamis, and support life on our planet.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Today, we will learn about the mystery of oceans, their power to give life and also destroy.
Ma'am, oceans just have water and fish, right?
Not just that, oceans control climate, monsoon, cyclones, and even earthquake underwater. Wait, earthquake inside the ocean? Yes, the ocean is beautiful but also powerful.
Can we really understand all this?
Not from books alone. Today we will visit the coast and our science teacher will also join us on this educational tour. He will help us understand the amazing science behind the oceans.
Wow.
Curious and excited, the students leave the classroom to witness the power of the ocean themselves.
The students arrive at the seashore. They watch the sea carefully as they notice the endless movement of water.
Sir, why do all these waves keep moving all the time?
Most ocean waves are formed by wind blowing across the surface of the sea.
So wind transfer energy to the water.
Exactly. As the wind blows, it transfers its energy to the water through friction. Tiny ripples form first, and if the wind keeps blowing, they grow into bigger waves.
So stronger wind means bigger waves.
Yes, the stronger the wind, the longer it blows, the greater the distance it travels over the water, the bigger the waves become.
Sir, do the waves carry the water all the way to the shore?
Not completely. Waves mainly transfer energy across the ocean surface.
The students observe the waves rising and falling rhythmically near the shore.
As the waves approach the coast, they slow down, grow taller, and finally break.
And these waves shape beaches too?
Yes, waves erode rocks, transfer sediments, and shape coastal landforms.
Ma'am, what are tides? Are they also waves?
No, waves are mostly caused by winds, but tides are the regular rise and fall of sea levels, mainly caused by moon's gravitational pull.
But ma'am, how can the moon, which is so far away, move such huge oceans?
The moon's gravity pulls the ocean water towards it, making the sea level rise on that side of the earth. As the earth keeps rotating, different coastal areas passes through these raised water levels, creating high tides and low tides in a regular cycle.
So that's why most coastal areas experience two high tides and two low tides every day?
Exactly, the sun also pulls the ocean water, but the moon has much greater effect because it is much closer to the earth. Even though the sun is much bigger, its great distance reduces its tidal pull. That's why the moon is the main cause of tides.
The wind feels so strong here.
This wind is a part of a large system called monsoon.
Ma'am, how does monsoon form?
In summers, land heats faster than the ocean. Low pressure forms over the land.
So air moves from sea to land.
Correct. Moist winds from the Indian Ocean bring heavy rainfall.
That's why India depends on monsoon for agriculture.
The ocean carries clouds across thousands of kilometers, bringing life to the land, but the ocean is not always gentle.
Sir, how do cyclones form?
When ocean water gets very warm, about 26 degrees Celsius, it heats the air above it.
Warm air rises and creates low pressure.
Exactly. More air rushes in, starts rotating due to Earth's rotation.
That spinning becomes a cyclone.
Yes, strong winds, heavy rain and storm surges.
Is that why the coastal areas suffer more?
Yes, cyclones like those in the Bay of Bengal cause severe destruction.
As ocean temperature rises, cyclones become more powerful and dangerous.
But sometimes danger comes from deep below.
Ma'am, what was the sound?
An underwater earthquake.
Can earthquakes create giant waves?
Yes, when tectonic plates move beneath the ocean floor, a huge amount of water gets displaced.
That creates a tsunami.
Yes.
Like the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami?
Yes, it caused massive destruction in India and other countries.
Can we predict tsunami?
We have warning systems now, but awareness is important.
The ocean can nurture life, but when nature loses its balance, its fury becomes unstoppable.
The students now understand the true mystery of oceans.
The ocean gives monsoon.
but also forms a cyclone.
It supports marine life.
And controls global temperature.
But climate change warming oceans?
Yes, warmer oceans mean stronger cyclones.
Plastic pollution harming the marine life.
We must protect ocean because protecting oceans means protecting Earth.
Save our oceans, save our future. Thank you.
Classical dance is a beautiful blend of grace, rhythm, and tradition. Let's witness a mesmerizing performance by our talented dancers.
Speaks the language of emotions. Let's welcome Ishanvi and Khushi for melodious English song presentation.
I've been dreaming, friendly faces. I've got so much time to kill. Just imagine people laughing. I know someday we will. And even if it's far away, get through another day. Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine. time still. I've been missing yesterday, but what if there's a better place? Cover me in sunshine, shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything be alright. Cover me in sunshine. Thank you.
समंदर की लहरें हमें साहस, धैर्य और निरंतर आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देती है। आइए सुनते हैं एक सुंदर कविता।
नीले नीले जल का सागर, रहस्य का है ये भंडार। ऊपर लहरें गीत सुनाती, भीतर छिपा अनोखा संसार।
गहराई में अंधियारा रहता, सूरज की किरणें न पहुंच पाती। विचित्र जीव और रंग बिरंगी मछलियां अपनी दुनिया वही बसाती।
मोती शंख और मूंगे सुंदर, जल के नीचे चमक बिखरे। डूबे जा चुकी कहानियां समंदर की सीने में ठहरी।
कहीं विशाल व्हेल तैरती, कहीं डॉल्फिन खेल दिखाती। अनगिनत रहस्य समेट अपने हर पल नई बात बताती।
वैज्ञानिक भी खोज में जुटे, फिर भी सब कुछ जान ना पाए। समंदर की गहरी चुप्पी में कितने अनसुलझे राज समाये। आओ इसका मान करें हम, स्वच्छ रखें इसका विस्तार। समंदर प्रकृति का अद्भुत द्वार, रहस्य का अनमोल संसार। धन्यवाद।
Poetry has a unique way of touching our hearts and minds. Now, enjoy the poetic journey and let it leave a lasting impression on you.
Vast and deep, so calm yet strong, the mighty ocean sing its song. From shore to shore, from sea to sky, it shapes our world as years pass by.
It gives us rain, it cools the air, supporting life with constant care. Its waters help the climate stay balanced through each passing day.
A home to creatures great and small, from tiny fish to mighty whales that call. Cold garden reefs so bright, bring color to the ocean's light.
The ocean feeds millions every day, providing food in countless ways. It carries ships across the seas, connecting land in a harmony.
Its waves inspire heart and mind, with beauty that all humankind find. A source of wonder, peace and grace, reflecting Earth's majestic face.
Yet this precious gift we must defend, for on its health our future depends. Let us protect its water blue, for the ocean cares for me and you.
The ocean is Earth's beating heart, a forever strong, forever true, a treasure for the whole world through. Thank you.
Energy, coordination and celebration come alive through dance. Put your hands together for an exciting group dance performance.
Not only from birth to death I need you. Even after death, I need you to submerge my ashes. Oh rivers, you must flow. Oh nadi, oh nadi, oh nadi, nadiya. 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 सूख रहा है जल, बिन जलना है कल। सूख रहा है जल, बिन जलना है कल। कैसे तेरा कर्ज चुकाएंगे, नदियाँ मिलके तुझको बचाएंगे। हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया। 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 Oh rivers, we can never pay back the debt for all that you have done to us. Let me at least pay a small interest towards your well-being. आँखें खोल